I hope everybody can hear me. This is Bob Casey from Bob Casey Aerials. And today I'm in Western Kentucky and I'm here at Rochester Dam. And this dam has some history to it. It's built in 1838. And where I'm at right now, this is the Muhlenberg County side. A couple hundred yards will be Butler County. And on the other side of the river, it's Ohio County. And right here at this dam, it's in a bend right here. And in this bend, there's a pool right here. This pool takes care of about 50,000 people as far as potable water. And it also takes care of 10,000 people to have a job because of it. Right down the river, right onto this bend right here, there's a ferry there. It's been going since 1839. And it's been off and on, but it was established in 1839. And it's also a confluence right here. The Green River makes a turn, a hard 90 right here, and goes over the dam. But right in the corner of it is Mud River. So I wanted to represent here for Mel, Dre from Recovery Drone, Brother Bell, that's for you.